In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Klaviyo on your platform, which is a fantastic tool for your marketing needs. Our goal is to make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible, guiding you every step of the way so you can maximize your usage of Klaviyo without any hassles. To get started, we begin right at your home page. Here, you should navigate over to your Apps section. This is typically where you'll find all the tools and extensions available to enhance your platform's functionality. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll want to focus on the search bar. This will be your gateway to locating Klaviyo efficiently. Simply type Klaviyo into the search bar and wait for the results to populate. Klaviyo should appear among the available options, often as a top result given its popularity and importance in digital marketing. With Klaviyo now visible on your screen, the next step is to click on it. This action will lead you to the installation page. Here, you're provided with an overview of what Klaviyo offers and its benefits for your business. When you're ready to proceed, you'll see an Install button, inviting you to initiate the process. Once you click on it, don't be surprised if you're prompted to click Install once more. This second prompt is there to confirm your intention to add Klaviyo, ensuring that no installations happen by accident. Now, moving ahead, if you haven't already created an account with Klaviyo, the installation process will guide you into setting one up. This process is quite intuitive, designed to be user-friendly. To create your Klaviyo account, you'll start by entering a valid email address. This email will be your primary login credential, so choose one that's convenient but secure. Next, you'll be asked to provide your company name. This piece of information helps personalize your account and align it with your business identity. Following that, you'll enter your website's URL. It's a crucial detail since Klaviyo integrates with your website to enhance your marketing capabilities. Finally, with all the necessary details filled in, you'll hit the Get Started button. Doing so submits your information and formally initializes the setup of your Klaviyo account. Now, you're all set to explore the powerful features that Klaviyo offers, from efficient email marketing campaigns to detailed data analytics. It's a tool designed to evolve with your marketing needs, providing you with insights and resources to optimize your campaigns. And there you have it. This straightforward guide should help you get Klaviyo installed and configured on your platform without any stress, allowing you to focus on leveraging its features to boost your marketing efforts. We hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow, and we look forward to seeing how you use Klaviyo to grow and engage with your audience.